Why, this car is automatic, it's systematic, it's hydromatic. Why, it's greased lightning!
Greased lightning!
We'll get some overhead lifters and 4-barrel quads, oh yeah.
Keep talking, won't keep talking.
Fuel injection cut up in chrome-plated rods, oh yeah.
I'll get the money, I'll keep you get the money.
With a 4-speed on the floor, never waiting at the door.
You know that ain't no shit, you ever get lots of tin. Greased lightning.
Go grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter-mile. Go grease lightning, you're coasting through the hip-lap drive. You are supreme, the chicks are cream. For grease lightning, we'll get some purple French tail lights and 30-inch fins, oh yeah. A Palomino dashboard and dual tins, oh yeah. With new pistols, clubs, and shots, I can get all my rocks. You know that I ain't bragging, she's a real pussy wagon. Grease lightning.
Hey guys, we're Greased Lightning! We're super stoked to have you guys here for Zero to Hero Week. A little bit of introduction. I'm Caroline. I'm a sophomore here at Hanson. I'm a civil engineering major from Austin, Texas.
I'm Paul. I'm a freshman here from McMurtry College. I'm going to be your co-advisor. I'm a religious studies major from Houston, Texas.
What's up guys, my name is Mitchell. I am going to be a senior here at Hanson. I'm studying sports medicine and I am originally from Dallas, Texas. Woo!